Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Blast Furnace number 4, Annapurna of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant registers highest ever hot metal production for any single day. Safety review meeting held at Rourkela Steel Plant. And wall painting forms a part of the meaningful engagement of teachers in Ispat English Medium School Junior Section Sector 18 during COVID-19 era.
Employees of shops RSM of SAIL RSP felicitated. Competitions organized for contract labours to mark Steel Safety Day at SAIL RSP. And program on stress management organized at SAIL RSP. Recertification audit of ISO 9001-2015 QMS held. Induction program for trade apprentice commences. And World Kidney Day observed at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant.
Now the news in detail. Continuing the streak of production success, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, a unit of the Maharatna Company, has yet again set a new record by producing 3,225 tons of hot metal on 10th March 2021 from its blast furnaces number 4, Annapurna. The previous best of 3,110 tons was recorded on 5th February 2021 from the same furnace. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, has congratulated the Blast Furnace Collective and the associated departments. He appreciated the commitment, dedication and teamwork resulting in the achievement of this feat. The CEO urged all to sustain the commitment and conviction to scale new heights. The feat was achieved due to the integrated team efforts of all the associated departments like Sinter Plant, Raw Material Handling Plant, Coke Ovens, Traffic and Raw Materials, Captive Power Plant, Oxygen Plant, Production Planning and Control Department, and Research and Control Laboratory, in addition to the quality supply of raw materials and the determined efforts of the Blast Furnace Collective. It is worth mentioning here that the blast furnace with a useful volume of 1,658 cubic meter was commissioned on 3rd July 1967. The furnace has achieved many milestones in the successful journey of its operation for the last many decades. Inspired by the clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat by Honorable Prime Minister of India, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, under the guidance of Honorable Union Minister for Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, has been consistently striving towards improving its production performance so as to make its contribution in making India self-reliant in steel. A safety review meeting was organized at CEO Conference Hall on 10th March 2021 that was chaired by Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant. Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, as well as all the Chief General Managers, Heads of Departments and Departmental Safety Officers, DSO of Rourkela Steel Plant attended the meeting. Speaking on the occasion, the CEO emphasized upon proper documentation and analysis of near-miss cases so as to prevent possible safety hazards. He advised the DSOs to educate people and create awareness amongst executives, employees and contract labor on prevention of disasters. CEO urged the participants to make all-out efforts towards improving the image of SAIL in terms of safety. He stressed on finding the root cause of every incident and fixing of responsibilities. The CEO exhorted the RSP collective to improve housekeeping and also ensure road safety through awareness campaigns and other appropriate actions. He also stressed on monitoring of the health checkup records of employees and taking precautionary actions. Presentations were made regarding pressure vessels by RCM department and measures being taken to improve safety of crane by Crane Maintenance Department. The causes of all the safety-related incidents that have happened recently were discussed threadbare. The CEO interacted with the concerned HODs and DSOs regarding the causes and the actions taken in this regard. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Pankaj Kumar in his address said that safety is a collective responsibility and it has to be further strengthened by imparting effective training and creating greater awareness. Earlier, Mr. S.C. Mohanty, GM in charge SED, welcomed the participants. He also coordinated the program. COVID era has brought about a tremendous transformation in the lives of teachers, students and the entire teaching methodology. As per the COVID-19 guidelines, when the students are at home attending classes online, teachers gather in schools to chalk out the curriculum, teaching plan and conduct classes online under the supervision and guidance of the superiors. It is at this time when the school is relatively free from the hustle and bustle of children. The teachers and staff of Ispat English Medium School Junior Section Sector 18 decided to give a facelift to the school by wall painting. Mrs. Meenu Pradhan, the arts teacher of the school, played the lead role in sketching out the composition on the wall based on the theme decided collectively by Mrs. Shushtrita Das, Headmistress IEMS Junior Section Sector 18 and the staff of the school. The other teachers and staff came forward to fill in the colors using paint and brushes. For most of the teachers, it was an exercise after ages, while for some, it was a first time. Nevertheless, the successful outcome of the first few paintings boosted the morale of the teachers and are coming forward with new ideas and suggestions to improve the ambience of the school, keeping in mind the child's psychology. Around 20 paintings have been made so far. Some of the paintings meant for small children of class 1 and 2 depict importance of various outdoor games such as lattu, pebble throw, kite flying, gilli danda, skipping, rumal chor or posting letter, tire rolling, ringa ringa roses, especially for small children. Other educative painting including shapes and sizes, schoolhouses and physical exercises. For little older children belonging to classes 3 to 5, the wall painting showcases certain values like kindness, compassion, friendship, caring for elderly, caring and sharing, spending quality time in the family, nurturing trees and environment, use of dustbin, denoting Swachh Bharat, and positive mindset. It may be noted that the paintings, which tend to have a long-lasting impact on the tender minds of the children, has not only added to the aesthetic of the school but has also enhanced the learning environment of the school. In addition to this, the teachers have also reused waste material from home and school for interior and outdoor decoration of the school. Old desks and benches have been made as flower pot stand. Bike tires and unused bangles have been beautifully designed to beautify the premises. To promote Atmanirbhar Bharat, colorful bamboo baskets are used as flower pot holders. In IEMS Sector 20, the students have made different craft items under SUPW during the COVID times. They comprise masks by Class 6 students, paper bag from waste papers by Class 7 students, and pen and pencil stand by Class 8 students.
In a function organized at CGM Mechanical Conference Hall of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 3rd March 2021, Mr. Bimal Kumar BC, CGM Design and CES, felicitated 8 employees of SHOPS RSM for their exemplary contributions. Present on the occasion were Mr. R. N. Rajendran, CGM SHOPS, Mr. S. R. Mohapatra, GM in charge SHOPS RSM, Mr. D. K. Nayak, GM SHOPS RSM and other senior officers of the SHOP complex. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. BC highly appreciated the efforts of the SHOPS collective and exhorted upon the SHOP complex to come up to meet with the emergent requirements of the plant. Mr. Rajendran also lauded the efforts of the team involved with the job. It may be noted that the team of employees were felicitated for carrying out urgent job of crane number 2661 of New Plate Mill. Crane number 2661 of new plate mill was down, thus affecting transfer of heavy plates from DE Bay to EF Bay. All internals of gearbox of the crane were manufactured in-house and required heat treatment was done by the team comprising Mr. D.N. Panda, Mr. Ashok Kumar Raul, Mr. Bimal Kumar Jena, Mr. Charan Kumar Behra, Mr. Umakant Sahu, Mr. Mangal Suna, Mr. Santosh Kumar Malik, under the guidance of Mr. S. Pramanik, DGM, Shops RSM. It was delivered to crane maintenance within shortest possible time, thereby bringing back the crane into operation and accruing substantial savings for the plant. The Safety Engineering Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, organized different competitions to mark the observance of the Steel Safety Day. On 12th March, Safety Quiz competition was organized. A total of 55 contract laborers took part in the written quiz competition. On the same day, debate competition was also held. Around 15 participants participated in it. The theme for the debate was Safety, My Obligation. The jury members comprised Mr. Polki S. Kumar, GM HME, and Mr. A. Mohanty, GM Environment. The winners of the competitions will be awarded in the function to be organized to mark the Steel Safety Day 2021. The Safety Engineering Department coordinated the program. A two-day program on stress management was organized at CPTI on 12th and 13th March. Dr. T. Mishra, Additional CMO, presided over the valedictory function and facilitated the feedback session. In all, 8 employees from different departments of Rourkela Steel Plant participated in the program. The program provided conceptual understanding on stress, its causes, effects, and impact in one's daily life. Emphasis was laid on meditation as the best de-stressing technique. Practical session on meditation was held using chakras and nadis. Practical session also included personality transformation and medical insights on managing stress-related diseases. The recertification audit ISO 9001-2015 QMS was held at SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant from 8th to 10th March 2021. Mr. P.K. Satpathy, CGM in charge P&A, presided over the closing meeting. Virtually present on the occasion were Mr. Rajendra Mishra, CGM P&A, Mr. P. Nigam, CGM Finance, and other senior officials of the concerned areas. In his closing remark, Mr. Satpathy thanked the auditors for the conscientious effort in carrying out the meticulous audit process and assured them of due compliance of the points raised by them in a time-bound manner. The audit was organized online in view of the rising trend of COVID-19 scenario. Mr. Mohit Kumar, lead auditor of MSTUV, conducted the audit from his remote location. The audit incorporated scope of providing personal services and maintenance of in-house accounts. During the 3-day audit, finance and accounts documents were reviewed. Main accounts, taxation, project finance, and costing were audited under maintenance of in-house accounts. Similarly, in the personal area, audit included personnel and administration document review, welfare and canteen, industrial relations and rules, services and central maintenance. It may be mentioned that the opening meeting was jointly presided by the Chief General Managers of both Finance and Personnel on 8th March. The program was coordinated by the Business Excellence team. An induction workshop for the 3rd batch of trade apprentice in SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant, commenced at CPTI on 12th March. In all, 69 apprentices comprising graduate apprentice, diploma holders and ITI students are there in March 2021 batch. The programs are being conducted in strict adherence to the COVID-19 guidelines. During the induction program, the trainees are being given an overview of SAIL and RSP, safety aspects, gas safety, fire safety, and electrical safety, health tips, as well as brief inputs on the entire integrated steel making process, starting from raw materials to be finished products. Audio visuals will also be shown to supplement the session. The program was coordinated by Mr. S.K. Sukula, Assistant Manager HRDC. The first batch of 130 trainees and second batch of 97 trainees were inducted on 1st and 6th March respectively. In the year 2021, in all, 690 students are scheduled to be trained in RSP in 7 different batches. It may be mentioned that under the Honorable Prime Minister's Skill Development Program for the youth of the country, HRDC of RSP has undertaken to provide training to the students in line with the guidelines laid down by the Indian Iron and Steel Sector Skill Council IISSC under the Skill India Mission. Apprenticeship training is being imparted to the trainees for 1 year after completion of their graduation, diploma and ITI qualification. A health awareness program was organized at OHSC of Rourkela Steel Plant to mark the World Kidney Day on 11th March. Dr. K.C. Tandi, Chief Consultant from Ispat General Hospital, was the guest speaker on the occasion. In all, 20 employees, including executives from across different units of the plant, attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. Tandi elaborated on this year's theme for Kidney Day, that is, living well with kidney disease. During the session, the doctor elaborately described the importance of kidneys in human body, its care as well as consequences of kidney diseases and their prevention. He exhorted the employees to undertake regular blood pressure checkup, blood tests and observe dietary controls with the exercises so as to reduce kidney problems. In the interaction session, the participants enthusiastically shared their views and clarified doubts. At the outset, Dr. Tarunaditya Mishra, Additional CMO in charge of OHSC, welcomed the participants and highlighted the OHSC activities. He also proposed a vote of thanks. Mr. K.C. Pradhan, OHT OHSC, coordinated the program. With this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.